Hello, I'm going to explain the payroll first. Payroll management system first. Of all, once you have opened the file, enable editing and then enable content. Now the macro is going to work, and this is the sheet where you can payroll management system add new employee, add and check out the employee list, attendance form, database, and the employee ledger. So once you have clicked all these button, it will approach us to the sheets that are in the underneath, and you can click by direct into the sheet by going as well. So add employee. First of all, I'm going to tell you this form is locked. Only the light gray form field that you can enter the data into it, and this cell is B3 is logged, and it automatically populates. Wait, and the sheet is protected. First, I have to protect the sheet, and now is locked is in there. Once you have pressed this button, it will ask you, do you want to into database? Press no to discard, yes to save, and then you will find the employee name will be saved into the employee list. Okay, so at the moment the file is protected, and you cannot enter into this area where the formula is pasted. You can select the other form as per your liking what you want to enter, and the name and the everything that you want to be per hour rate and everything, and then you can press this button to save, and it will be saved into the employee list. And at the moment I'm going to press this button, it will be saved. You can see that into the list of your employees with the rate. So this is the attendance form. Like you have to fill on select only the name, and the code automatically populates from your database, and then enter the time in and time out, and it will multiply by that per hour rate with and fill it, and you don't need to enter the other fields. Once you have time in and time out, it will automatically there. I'm going to add 9 am when you in, and the 14 means it is am and 2 p.m. Standard. PM and AM difference, but you have to enter there the 24-hour format to calculate as per the better way, and you will find the 5 hours and 20 minutes exactly they have worked for, and it will calculate the total wage or salary, and the same you have to do 9:45 is the arrival time. Sorry, 9 sorry 9:45 travel time, and then he departs. It's 13. So you will find exactly 3 hours and 50 minutes he worked for, and it will calculate the rates. So you can select the date, and you can change the month. If you enter the current month, the whole current month date will appears into it. You can see that, and it will once you have clicked there, it will also check, you can see that there is automatically upgrade. Once you have pressed this, and it will be saved into database. Here all the database is there, and you can go and get save all the attendance into this. Once you press yes, the data will be saved into the attendance shared database. Here you can see that 5 of October, the total is there. So now then, this is employee ledger. You have to select the employee and then press extract, and once you have prep select the employee, and then go there and press this button. You will find all the history of the Kony Smart is extracted from the database and gives you the total activity that he performed uh, up till now. So you can navigate through this sheet directly by the menu buttons as well. So this is it, and I'm going to send you this, and this work and the inventory management also work I have done for. I'm going to prepare the second video for it, and you will find this is a used cloth Mac inventory 13. I'm going to explain this file into the next video and send you